Welcome back to my channel Scholarite. This is Anirudh and I am back with another video on programming languages. In today's video, we are going to discuss about the top 5 programming languages that I consider are doing great in the market. And if you are somebody who is new to programming and wants to learn coding, you should consider learning one of these 5 programming languages. The list that I have created is completely based on the implementation and use of these programming languages in today's market. The programming language that stands at number 5 for me is Kotlin. Kotlin is a programming language which is fairly new in the market and it is developed by a company called JetBrains. If you have not heard about JetBrains, it is the same company that has developed IDEs like IntelliJ, WebStorm and PyCharm. Google has recently announced that Kotlin is going to be their official language for Android development. So if you are somebody who wants to learn Android development and is interested in mobile development, Kotlin is going to be the right choice of programming language for you. Since Kotlin is interoperable with Java, most of the projects that are getting redesigned are built using Kotlin. At number 4 for me is C#. This is developed by Microsoft and it is used for a variety of tasks. Using C#, there are a wide variety of development that can be done using C#. Developments could be done on operating systems, on browsers, and also game development. Unity is one of the famous frameworks for game development, and the programming language it uses is C#. A lot of productive professional softwares and games are built using C#. There is a very famous framework that goes in hand with C# that is called .NET, which is also developed by Microsoft. So if you are somebody who is interested in game development or browser-based application development, then C# is the right programming choice for you. The next programming language that stands at number 3 for me is Java. Java is one of the most prominent and popular programming language that are currently present in the market. It is developed by a company called Oracle, and Java is one of the best programming language for enterprise-based application and also Android development. So if you are somebody who is looking to develop enterprise-based applications or looking up to take projects related to Android development, Java is a good choice of programming language for you. The programming language that stands second in my list is JavaScript. You would find really no developer who is not aware of this programming language. And thanks to the team of ECMA for bringing up JavaScript as a project in browser-based technology. Initially, JavaScript began as a front-end technology and was used in browsers. Thanks to the engines like Node.js, which gives us the ability to use this JavaScript language in the backend frameworks also. There are n number of frameworks for both front-end and backend when it comes to JavaScript. There are very famous front-end frameworks like React and Angular for JavaScript, and also backend frameworks like Express, Loopback 4 and Nest.js. The programming language or scripting language that stands at number 1 for me is Python. Python is developed by Python Software Foundation. It is one of the versatile scripting language and can be used in multiple domains of technology. Yet it's very powerful. Using Python, you can do web development. Projects that involve artificial intelligence and machine learning can also be developed using Python. If you're somebody who is interested in data science and data analysis, then Python is the right programming language choice for you. So Python stands at number 1 for me. Also, the simple syntax and use of various libraries makes Python a choice of programming language for any developer. So this is a list of 5 programming languages that I have created, and I believe that they are doing great in the market. And if you learn any of these programming language, I believe that you can land up a great job and a great project in future. For more such videos on technology, please subscribe to Scholarite. Thank you.